Hello friends, I'm Sujeet Jaiswal and welcome to a new video on Power BI. In today's session, we are going to learn to create a dynamic calendar table in Power BI. Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's get started. First of all, we need to open Power Query. For that, let's click on Transform Data. See, we don't have any table here. What we need to do is we have to go to Home tab, then click on New Source. From here we have to click on Blank Query. Here we need to type equal to, then curly braces, then 1 double dot. We can type like 30. Press enter. See, we got a list where we have 30 numbers. Next, what we need to do is we need to convert it to table. Click here, it will get converted to table. Keep the default values as it is. Click OK. We have converted list to table. Next, we need to change its data type because here we want to add a date table. So we need to change its data type to date. See, we have given 1 to 30. What we got in the result? We have date starting from 31st December 1899. So the minimum date in Power BI is 31st December 1899. Next, we will rename the field and table. Let's call it date. And this table name is also date. Next, we want to see all the applied steps in Advanced Editor. But if you have already noticed, the applied step pane is missing here. So let's add that first. Click on View, Query Settings. We got the applied steps pane here. We have the source, converted to table, change type, renamed columns. Now we need to go to the Advanced Editor. So you can go to Advanced Editor in 3 ways. In the Home tab, you can see the Advanced Editor under Query Group. You can right click on the table and select Advanced Editor, or you can go to View tab and click on Advanced Editor. Now we are in the Advanced Editor. Here we have all the steps which we have seen in the steps pane. See, in the source we have given 1 to 30. If we want to create a dynamic table, we need to pass dates here, the start date and end date. How we can do that? Click after let and press enter. Then tab. Here we need to create 2 variables. First is start date, comma, and second is end date, comma. Here we will pass starting date using date function. For that we have to type hash first, then date in small letters, bracket open, bracket close. First of all, we need to pass the year, pass 2025, then month is 01, day 01, 1st Jan. We want our calendar starting from 1st Jan 2025, and we can use the same function to pass the end date. Let's make it, this is month, let's make it 12 and date 31st. Now we need to replace 1 and 30 by start and end date. So type here start date in place of 30, end date, click done. We cannot apply operator double dot to type date and date. So what we need to do here is we need to convert it to number. Let's go back to Advanced Editor. Here we need to use number dot from to convert dates to number. This also number dot from, click done. Now we have a date calendar starting from 1st Jan 2025 to 31st December 2025. What did you say? This is not a dynamic calendar. You are right. We need to make it a dynamic calendar which will increase day by day. For that, again we have to go to advanced editor. We need to use here a new function, date time dot local now, bracket open bracket close. Now if we click on done, we will get error because date time local now function has date plus time, but we need only date. To resolve this issue, let's again go back to advanced editor. We can take help of date function here. So type pound sign, then date in small characters, bracket open. First of all, we need to pass here year. We need to extract year from date time local now function. For that we can use date dot year function, bracket open bracket close. We will get year from it. Then we need to pass month, so we can use month here, month. Next we need to pass day, so we can extract day from it, bracket close, comma, done. Now our calendar is starting from 1st Jan 2025 to 6th July 2025, and it will keep on increasing day by day. Congratulations friends, we have successfully created a dynamic calendar in Power BI. Next, you can add X number of columns like month, week, quarter. So let's add some columns here. Go to add column, then date, then year. We have added year. Next, month name, name of month, week of year, quarter of year. In this way you can add the required columns and it will always have the latest date. Let's close the window and see the result in the table view. Click on table view. Here we have our dynamic calendar table. That's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.